Welcome to Villas of Bethany West, 791C, Salt Pond Circle. This 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo is perfectly situated in the town of Bethany Beach. As you come into the home, you can see the pond view right out the back. Right here is a convenient kitchen. It has been upgraded with new counters and cabinets and so forth. Right in here is the living room, which boasts a wood fireplace, little breakfast bar, and kitchen table. Right out your back, some of the best features is the large back deck with outdoor shower right over here and outdoor storage right here. Right down your steps leads to the pond. Let's see a bench over here, and saw lots of wild animals here earlier this morning. And then not far from here is the community pool, tennis, fitness center, shuffleboard, and on the other side is the access to the salt pond where you can canoe and kayak, and they have canoe and kayak storage in here in this community. Let's head upstairs. As you come upstairs, there's your first full bathroom, straight ahead. A full bedroom with views of the pond right there. And your main suite, which has a full bathroom. Villas of Bethany West is situated in downtown or just right outside of downtown Bethany. It's 1 mile to the beach. You can walk to Wawa, DeFebo's Marketplace. There's also for dinner Grotto's or DeFebo's Restaurant. Lots of choices for food and so forth. If you'd like more information about Villas of Bethany West, please contact Brendan Crotty at 302-858-3234. That's my cell phone. I'm with Keller Williams. Love to tell you all about the community and the home and all the other options. Like you can take the trolley from here. So many opportunities with this home. Thanks again. Have a great day.